Hello and welcome to Virtual Learning channel. This is the first video of 100 annotations in Java and Spring each developer should know. In this video series, we will review 100 most useful annotation about Java, Spring Boot, Spring Data, testing and validation. Before starting, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I want to ask you to subscribe my channel and also give me a like to encourage me making more videos. Thank you. Override annotation is used to assure that the subclass method is overriding the parent class method. If it is not so, compile time error occurs. Suppress warnings annotation is used to suppress warnings issued by the compiler. Deprecated annotation marks that this method is deprecated, so compiler prints warning. Safe varargs annotation suppress warnings for all colors of a method or constructors with a generic varargs parameter. Functional interface annotation specifies that the type declaration is intended to be a functional interface. Repeatable annotation specifies that the annotation can be applied more than once to the same declaration. Enable auto-configuration annotation enables Spring Boot's auto-configuration mechanism. Component scan annotation enables component scan on the package where the application is located. Configuration annotation allows to register extra bins in the context or import additional configuration classes. Spring Boot application annotation can be used to enable these three above features. Controller annotation is simply a specialization of the component annotation class, which allows to auto-detect implementation classes through the class path scanning. Request body maps the HTTP request body to a transfer or domain object, enabling automatic deserialization of the inbound HTTP request body onto a Java object. Response body annotation tells a controller that the object returned is automatically serialized into JSON and passed back into the HTTP response object. REST controller is a specialized version of the controller. It includes the controller and response body annotations. Request mapping is used for mapping web requests onto methods in request handling classes with flexible method signatures. Please notice that this annotation can be used both at the class and at the method level. In most cases, at method level applications will prefer to use one of the HTTP method specific variants like get mapping, post mapping, put mapping, delete mapping, or patch mapping. Path variable annotation is used to indicate that a method parameter should be bound to a URI template variable. It is a support for handler methods which is annotated with request mapping. Request param is used to indicate that a method parameter should be bound to a web request parameter. Path param is not a Spring annotation, but it is in Javadoc package and not related to a Spring. It allows to inject the value of named URI path parameters that were defined in path expressions. Query param is also in Javadoc package and not related to a Spring. It is for injecting individual URI query parameters into the Java parameters. This is the end of part 1 from Java annotations videos. If there is any annotation you want to learn more about it with practical samples, please comment for me. I will make videos on them.